Hey everybody, just a quick 60-second video. We had a customer that was asking how you replace the taillights on a brand new model Tucson. So this model we're looking at is halogen bulbs. There is an LED version, but these are going to be the halogen ones. So the first one we're going to have a look at is the inside one. So if you open up the boot, get a flathead screwdriver, pop it in here where there's a little hole, pop down that cover. You might have to pull it with your hand as well. And then after that is really simple. Just twist the bulb and it comes out, and then you pull out the bulb, put in your new bulb, and twist it back into place. And that's actually the inside one sorted. So it's really, really easy. Once you're finished, just get the little plastic cover, pop it back in place, make sure it's in there nice and neat and smooth, and that's it, you're done. So the outside one then, it's a little bit more difficult, but the start point, it's 2 screws. So they are Phillips head screws, pop them out. This part here, it looks easy in the video, but it's actually not. The light is really wedged in place and you got to put quite a lot of force on it to push it out. It won't feel like it's going to go anywhere, but eventually it will actually move. Once you have it out, then you're going to look at these, same idea, just twist the bulb outwards. Once it's out, pop your bulb in and then twist it back into place. And that means then that your outside one is sorted as well. To get the tail lamp back in, it's really simple. You literally just push it straight back in. That's very, very easy. And there's the 2 screws that need to go back in place. And that's it. So hopefully someday the video is going to be useful for somebody if they have tail lights out on a halogen version on this version of the Tucson. Thanks for watching, guys.